Dreaming of providing for your family with trading, but all you've seen so far is losses. You're probably a beginner who still hasn't found out what it takes to succeed in trading. Hey everyone, my name is Tarun and I'm the one who knows how to stop constantly topping up on your account and finally start making your profit. What you need, guys, is a strategy, and today I'm going to give it to you. The simplest one, not even requiring any heavy setup, but it will definitely improve your trading experience. All you need to do is watch, absorb, and get ready to apply it today. Stick around till the end because along the way I'll share valuable resource with you and one that will bring you closer to your first $1,000 in your trading account. It's time to level up and start making some real money. Let's go. Okay, my system is ready and we are jumping straight into the first trade. We'll figure everything out while trading here. I'm entering a long position. We're using the ZigZag and Fractals indicators to draw key levels. For example, this level was broken upward earlier, meaning we are currently in an uptrend. We're drawing more levels based on these triangle patterns. These are fractals, and we conclude that the asset is continuing its upward bracket. There was a small correction, but now we are entering another long trade, guys. Now we just wait for the expiration time to finish. Right now, this might seem complicated and unfamiliar, but don't worry, guys. By the end of this video, you'll get used to these two indicators, and you could even make your first profit by the end of the day. By the way, the first trade is about to close, and once it finishes, I'll bring up a crucial topic for all of us: the role of strategy in trading. All right, first profit is already in the account. We can continue trading right on this chart. So we'll take a quick pause and prepare for the next trade. I slightly increase my risk in this trade. I want to show you the real results that you can achieve. Okay, I'm back in the game. Here we are still expecting the asset to rise. Let's take a closer look. There's an upward breakout from fractal level and the market is resuming its uptrend within the established trend. Right now, I can even see momentum picking up. So entering a long position here is basically easy money. Speaking of money, you won't make any of it if you don't trade with a strategy. In this video, I'm showing you one of them, but there are hundreds indeed. Let's clarify what a strategy is. It's a set of rules, your action plan, a framework of conditions for entering the market. Without them, you'll trade randomly and treating trading like a casino or sports betting. Know why most fail at the start? Because they lack a strategy, guys. Meanwhile, I'm back in profit. Let's switch the chart and keep moving. Here we'll trade the downside, guys. Totally opposite setup here. You'll see. Let's dig in. Here's a zigzag level drawn from the corner. The asset is now in a downtrend because it broke the band downward. Plus, we have a breakout of a smaller fractal level, which is an added confirmation. The price is consolidating at the lows, but I'm confident it's about to crash. Just needs to break at this level. Now, all we have to do is wait for the trade outcome. Back to strategies, they must be in your toolkit. Every pro trades only with them, guys. It's one of the keys to success in the market and make some money. Planning to trade right now, but you have no strategy. Close the terminal. I'm serious. You'll take losses otherwise. Oh, meanwhile, I'm back in profit, guys. Switching charts now. Be right back. Okay, here we are trading the upward again. The setup is typical, so I recommend watching very carefully right now. We're trading a reversal, guys. The asset broke past this level and then pulled back. That's a clear sign we should expect growth from. And we have got a confirmation from a smaller indicator. Look, there's also a mini reversal here shown by the fractal. So the key question for the traders, where do you find good trading strategies? This will take a lot of searching, guys. Trust me. The thing is, there are many strategies, but finding one that fits you, not an easy task. It's all individual, you know. For example, I love using zigzag combinations. They've made me tens of thousands of dollars. But I don't get traders who rely only on oscillators, though they do exist. While I was talking, I closed another profitable trade here, guys. We'll take a brief break and resume trading with you soon. The market is growing fast, so I'm almost certain we'll take profit again. Yes, I'm definitely in the right trade. Let me show you why. The asset is already breaking one key fractal level. We are seeing a second reversal attempt, and these setups almost always end up in success. When the market refuses to give up and wants to rally, hardly anything can stop it. Mark my words and remember this case. Now, I'll prove that my forecast was correct. Now, while we wait, let me revisit the strategy search topic. It's much easier now since you can get information directly from pros. Join my Telegram channel where I regularly publish high quality indicator combinations. I'll be there for you. You'll definitely find a strategy that suits you personally there. You'll also discover tons of useful content, that can even make you your first money with my free signals. Looking forward to having you on the team, buddy. Meanwhile, I am profitable again, guys. Perfect time to switch charts and open our final trade. Okay, here's a good entry point to wrap up our trading session. We can use higher time frames as reference. We have this key level from the zigzag. The price has consolidated above it, so it's logical that it will start to climb. The nearest target is the upper zone with the fractal. That's where we are heading, my friends. Another important note about strategies, you need to test them. Adjust algorithm parameters, check profitability over the long term, add indicators and remove unnecessary ones. In other words, you have to customize the strategy to fit your style. You get it? It's challenging, yes, for beginners, but everyone goes through it. But in the end, you'll have your own proven trading tool and you'll know how to trade with it. And you'll be confident slowly with reliability. Okay, another profitable trade. While we were discussing strategies, I've already made $1,600. Guys, that's enough to wrap up things for now. So, now you have everything you need to start trading successfully. A simple yet highly effective strategy. You've seen its performance, finished just 6 trades, bought in over 100% profit. Now it's your turn. Test it yourself, stay profitable and share your experience in the comments. I'd appreciate your likes and subscriptions too. Show me that the work I'm doing for you is really working. But remember, trading is about constant growth. If you want to be pro at this, stay consistent, stay with me, and it's not just about financial donor. You'll always need more. For entry signals, interesting market cases, proven strategies, and my trading insights are waiting for you all out there. So that's all for now, my friends. Take care and good luck in your trading. See you all in the next video.